Planning a layover in Rome? Whether you need an FCO airport lounge to relax or want to see the city, you have options. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for FCO. Getting around from FCO is easy. The Leonardo Express takes you to the city in 32 minutes. Check Trenitalia for current fares, or grab a rideshare for about €48 in 25 minutes. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours for your Rome layover, stay at the airport. Start by clearing customs, then head to an FCO airport lounge to relax with complimentary food and Wi-Fi. Next, grab a quick meal at Mercato Centrale or one of the airport restaurants. After that, browse the art exhibitions at Originals or use the shower facilities to freshen up before your next flight. Got 8 hours? Now you can really explore during your Rome airport layover. Clear customs, then hop on the Leonardo Express to Roma Termini. From there, walk to Santa Maria Maggiore Basilica to see stunning mosaics and papal history. Next, grab authentic carbonara at Trattoria dell'Omo for a proper Roman meal. After that, stop at historic Fassi for gelato, before taking the train back to FCO with plenty of time for your flight. 16 hours, that's a full day in Rome. Clear customs, then take the Leonardo Express into the city. Start at Santa Maria Maggiore Basilica near Termini, then explore the massive Italy marketplace for Italian specialties. Next, enjoy a leisurely lunch at Trattoria dell'Omo with classic pasta dishes. After that, browse Mercato Centrale and pick up artisanal products. Grab gelato at historic Fassi, then take the metro to see the Colosseum exterior before dinner at a local trattoria. Finally, catch the train back to FCO Airport Lounge to relax before your flight. Budget breakdown. 4 hours costs about €20 if you eat at the airport. 8 hours runs about €25 plus train fare for a taste of Rome. The full 16-hour day costs around €50 plus transport for the complete experience. A few tips for your layover in Rome. First, buy Leonardo Express tickets in advance online to skip the lines. Second, FCO airport food is pricey, so eat in the city if you can leave. Third, use the free luggage trolleys at Terminal 3 to store bags while you explore. Planning a Rome layover? Full guide at yopki.com. Link below.